Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2021 Model Ford Territory Titanium, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 29k kilometers mileage, first owner, panoramic sunroof, power seats, active park assist, adaptive cruise control, 360 camera, power fold side mirrors, forward collision warning, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, cash price, 798,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 188,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2018) Model Hyundai Tucson GL, 2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 75k kilometers mileage, first own, casa maintained, keyless entry, leather seats, central lock, fog lights, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, cash price, 648,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 116,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2022) Model Ford Territory Titanium Plus, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 15k kilometers mileage, first owner, with service booklet, plate ending 5, panoramic sunroof, 360-degree camera view, leather seats, power adjust driver seats, power fold side mirrors, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, cash price, 848,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 187,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2019) Model Toyota Hilux Conquest, top of the line, 2.8-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 20k kilometers mileage, first owner, 4-wheel drive, with service booklet, plate ending 9, touchscreen display, cruise control, reverse sensors, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, cash price, 1,288,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 341,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. 2019 model Toyota Vios E, 1.3-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 76k kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, fresh in and out, with casa booklet, ending plate 4, touchscreen display, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 498,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 65,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. ...2015 model Ford Explorer Limited, 2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 52k kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, with service booklet, plate ending 4, panoramic sunroof, leather seats, reverse sensors and camera, touchscreen display, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, cash price, 688,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 130,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.